Solve the following simultaneous equation. Question number 11. So this one is non-linear and this is linear. So from equation 2, we have the y equal to 3 minus x. This is equation 3. So we sub the equation 3 into the equation 1. Then we have the x times 3 minus x equal to 2. Then we have the 3x minus x squared equal to 2. And then we move to one side, then we have the 0 equal to the x squared minus 3x plus 2, and we do the factorization. Then we have the x1 2 minus minus, so we have the x equal to 1 and x equal to 2. So we sub the value of x into the equation of 3, then y equal to 3 minus 1, then 2, y equal to 3 minus 2, then it is 1. So when x equal to 1, y equal to 2, at the same time when x equal to 2, y equal to 1. Question 12, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So so from uh, 2, we have the y equal to 4 minus 2x. This is equation 3. Then we sub equation 3 into equation 1. Then 4 minus 2x squared equal to 4x. So 16 minus 16x plus 4x squared minus 4x equal to 0. So we have the 4x squared minus 20x plus 16 equal to 0. All divided by 4, then we have the x squared minus 5x plus 4 equal to 0. And we do the factorization. So x1 4 minus minus, so x equal to 1 and x equal to 4. Then sub x into equation the 3. Then the y will be 4 minus 2 times 1, 2, y equal to 4 minus 2 times 4, then negative 4. So when x equal to 1, y equal to 2, and then x equal to 4, y equal to negative 4. Okay. So equation 1, equation 2. Okay. So uh, from equation 1, then we have the x equal to negative 3y. This is equation 3. Then we sub equation 3 into the equation 2. Then we have the 2 times negative 3y squared plus 3y equal to 1. So 2 times 9y squared plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0. So we have the 18y squared plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0. Then this one we have the 3y 6y 1 plus 6 minus 3 equal to 0. So y equal to negative 1 over 3. At the same time, y equal to 1 over 6. So we sub y into the equation 3. Then x is negative 3 times negative 1 over 3. Then it is 1. And then x is negative 3 times 1 over 6. Then it's negative half, which is 0.5. Okay, so when x equal to 1, y equal to negative 1 over 3, and then when x equal to 0.5, negative 0.5, then the y is 1 over 6. Okay, question number 14. So this is equation 1, equation 2. So from equation 1, y equal to 4 minus x, this is equation 3. And then we sub the equation 3 into the equation 2. Then we have the x squared plus 4 minus x squared equal to 10. Then x squared plus 16 minus 8x plus x squared minus 10 equal to 0. Then we have the 2x squared minus 8x plus 6 equal to 0. And all divided by 2, x squared minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. And then we do the factorization, x 1 3 minus minus, so x equal to 1, x equal to 3. Then we sub the value of x into the equation 3. Then y equal to 4 minus 1, 3, and then y equal to 4 minus 3, 1. So when x equal to 1, y equal to 3, and when x equal to 3, y equal to 1. Okay, then. So question number 15, equation 1, equation 2. Then we sub the equation 1 into the equation 2. Then we have the 2 times 3x squared minus x times 3x equal to 15. So we have the 2 times 9x squared minus 3x squared minus 15 equal to 0. So we have the 18x squared minus 3x squared minus 15 equal to 0. So we have the 15x squared minus 15 equal to 0. So x squared minus 1 equal to 0. 1 is actually square of 1. So we have x plus 1, x minus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to negative 1 and x equal to 1. And then we sub the value of x into equation 1. Then y is 3 times negative 1, then negative 3, and y equal to 3 times 1, then is 3. So when x is negative 1, y is negative 3, and then when x is 1, y is 3. Okay, question number 16. So this is equation 1, equation 2. So from equation 1, x equal to 1 plus 2y. This is equation 3. Then we sub equation 3 into equation 2. Then we have the 4y squared minus the 1 plus 2y squared equal to 1. So we have to assume there is a bracket here. So we have the 4y squared minus 3 times 1 plus 4y plus 4y squared minus 1 equal to 0. So we have the 4y squared minus 3 minus 12y minus 12y squared minus 1 equal to 0. Then we have the negative 8y squared minus 12y minus 4 equal to 0. Then we have the xy squared plus 12y plus 4 equal to 0. And then all divided by 4. Then we have the 2y squared plus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. Then we do the factorization y2, y1, 1 plus plus. So y equal to negative 1 and y equal to negative half. So we sub the value of y into equation 3. Then the x is 1 plus 2 times negative 1. And then the x equal to 1 plus 2 times negative half. Then it's 0 and negative 1. So when x is negative 1, y is negative 1, and when x equal to 0, y equal to negative 0.5. Okay, question number 17. This is nonlinear and this is linear. We write the linear one as a new equation. So from equation 2, we take y because we substitute one time only if we choose y as the subject. So 5y equal to 8 minus 2x, then y equal to 8 minus 2x over 5. Then this is equation 3. We sub equation 3 into the equation 1. Then we have a 3 plus x times 8 minus 2x over 5 equal to 0. So all multiply with 5 here. And then this will be cancelled. And we expand this one. So we have 15 plus 5x plus 8x minus 2x squared equal to 0. Then we have the 2x squared minus 13x minus 15 equal to 0. So all move to the other side. And we do the factorization equal to 0, x, 2x, and then we have the 1 times 15 minus 15 plus 2. So x equal to negative 1 and x equal to 15 over 2, 7.5. So we sub the value of x into the equation 3, y equal to 8 minus 2 times negative 1 over 5, 10 minus 5, 2, y equal to 8 minus 2 times 7.5 over 5. So uh, uh, 8 minus 15, then it's negative 7. So negative 7 over 5, negative 1.4. Okay. So when x equal to negative 1, y equal to 2, and then when x equal to 7.5, y equal to negative 1.5. Okay. Hmm. This question is strange because both are non-linear. Okay. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So from equation 1, y equal to 12 over x, this will become equation 3. Then we sub equation 2 into the equation, sub equation 3 into the equation 2. Then we have the x minus 1 times the 12 over x plus 2 equal to 15. So 12 plus 2x minus 12 over x minus 2 minus 15 equal to 0. So we have the 2x, and then this one is 12 minus 2 minus 15 is negative 5, and then minus 12 over x equal to 0, or multiply with x, then it will become 2x squared minus 5x minus 12 equal to 0. And we do the factorization, we have the x and 2x, and then 4 times 3 is 12, and then minus 8 plus 3 is negative 5. So x equal to 4 and x equal to negative 3 over 2, which is negative 1.5. Okay, so we sub the value of x into the equation 3, y equal to 12 over 4, then it is 3, y equal to 12 over negative 1.5, then it's negative 6. Okay, 12 over 1.5 is 8. Okay, negative 8. Okay, so when x equal to 4, y equal to 3, and when x equal to negative 1.5, y equal to negative 8 will be the answer. That